Are you a child of the 80s or 90s? Then you probably remember slap bracelets and mood lipsticks. Well, Gentry Kelly Cosmetics is bringing it back with 2 shades of mood lipstick. The cool things about these lipsticks, they look different on everyone. It all depends on how acidic you are. I love the deep purpley one. It kind of reminds me of Clinique's Black Honey, and it turns to kind of a berry color, so we're going to start with that one. Now, a little tip with these guys, do not leave them in your car, your purse, or between your boobs at the gym. They will melt. It has rose oil in it, so it tastes like grandma's soap, which I love. You apply it like you do a regular lipstick, and you wait about 1 minute. At that point, it'll blossom into its true color. Okay, it's fully blossomed. Look at In the Mood on me. I love things that have that like floral flavor and taste, and the rose oil is so yummy and so hydrating. I love this for days that I'm not wearing a lot of lipstick or summertime. It's perfect when I don't want a full pigment. Now I'm going to show you the lighter of the two, called Moody Bay. Unlike the In the Mood, which has more of a berry undertone, Moody Bay has a soft baby pink. Literally looks like baby lips. For someone who likes pinks over berries, I would do Moody Bay. Massage your lips together and let it blossom. To each its own, but I do like the first one better. Amber likes this one better, so we're all entitled to our own opinion, but they're both great and they feel great. My lips feel smoochably soft.